Changing the windshield wiper blade on a 2006 Ford F150 King Ranch. We'll pull this up and there you have it. And right here is what we want to push this. Essentially, we're just pushing this away to release it. So that comes right off, and then you have that U hook right there. We just take the replacement out of the box. For $6.99, I just got the Michelin Guardian. This is the hybrid wiper from Costco. That's what Ford F150 2006 calls for. In the box, there might be additional adapters, but I do not believe that this calls for an adapter. What we'll simply do is right here on this very side here, just lift up here gently and lift up on the other side and pull the cover back. Lift the cover off of this. Be careful while opening that cover, it might be a little hard, and not to break it. So we'll insert that in there as such, and then once inserted, all we simply do is we push away so that that snaps on there. So push away there, and it snaps. Once it snaps, we'll close this back up, and that is installed on this side, and we'll do the same on the other side. This side as well calls for a number 20, so we do the same thing. Lift this up and just yank this away, but what we're doing is this J hook right here, we're just releasing this out of the J hook. So that comes out and reveals the J hook. So we'll take the new wiper, the same thing as we did over there. We're going to open this cover right here to reveal the J hook, and we're just going to put this into that insert right there. And once it's in there, we'll pull to snap on. There you go. And it's snapped in place. We'll cover it up and it's done. Pull this out, and that is installed. That's it. Let's go and see if it does wipe the windshield. There you have it. 2006 Ford F150 windshield wiper replacement done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.